Hello everyone, I am super happy to say that I was wrong yesterday. So I put out a video about Affine and their new mobile app, and I stated in there that you could not do anything with the edgeless boards that are on there. You couldn't edit them or anything. I found out that for some reason they've actually disabled this feature, the feature to actually edit the edgeless board, and they put it into the experimental features settings within the application. So I'm not really sure why they did that. It's not technically an experimental feature. I've been using it in the desktop app and the web app for as long as I can remember, and yeah, they just decided also to by default disable it. So hopefully they'll change that later and prevent some of the confusion. I wasn't the only one. There were some people in the Discord that also kind of noticed that they could not do any edits or changes to the edgeless board, which did prompt the support team to respond, and their response basically was to go into the experimental features and enable it. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. Search for a theme. We're going to pick the mobile app here. We're going to go into the settings area, so that's in the top right, and in the middle here you'll see that there is a experimental features section there. We're going to go to this edgeless or enable edgeless editing, and then we're going to enable this. So once we enable that, here's what we're going to see, and we can do it before and after. So let's disable it real quick. Let's go into here, and we're in the edgeless board. Take note of how it looks there. Typically you would have that bar at the bottom for doing anything with this. Let's go back in here. We'll change this and enable it, and then we'll go back into that document. All right, so right away this menu bar at the bottom shows up. It has all the editing tools that you would expect. You can come in here, you can grab things on the board, and you can move things around. You will see there's a little bit of trailing happening there with the three dots. Not really sure what's happening there on the screen. And yeah, you can come in here, you can add things on here. You got your mind maps, you can come in and add shapes. We can come in here and we can draw. And if we pull out the Apple Pencil here, let's see if this will work. Yep, so the Apple Pencil actually works, and I think we're good to go here. So yesterday's video, ignore the part about the edgeless board, because there is a way to actually enable the editing on this here. So this is one of those times where I was happy to actually be wrong. Now the application is fully functional. There are, again, going to be some bugs. This is an alpha release. But being able to enable this feature is now this makes this a much better first release than I had previously thought. Well, that's going to be it for this video. If you like the content on this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. And until the next time, have a nice day.